national anthem. Trafalgar Primary School would like to acknowledge our local Indigenous tribe Gurna as a traditional landowners. At this school we recognise the elders and the Indigenous people who had their own cultural space before us. They had their own way of life and contributed to the way we live now. Thank you to the Indigenous people and the Gurna tribe for the land we are meeting on today.
Welcome to today's assembly, and today we're going to look at our new library.
Welcome everybody to our new look library.
During remote learning, the teachers have been very busy making changes to our reading sources.
Our library is now a fantastic place for students to borrow books and for teachers to find our class readers as well.
The shelves have lots of books, including a lot of new ones.
All the books are organised and put in their correct places.
Please respect our library and everything that is in it so the whole school can enjoy it.
When you finish reading a book, make sure you put it back in the spot you found it with the spine facing out.
There are also markers available for when you're reading. These help you keep track of where your book position is.
Just remember, books don't belong on the floor or under the shelves. They belong where they came from or on the blue rack.
At the back of the library, these books are for teachers only and the big ones.
Students are welcome to borrow a couple of books at home as well, but you must bring them back after 2 weeks so that others can enjoy them also. And then you can find something new to borrow. If you've got any more books at home for remote learning, it'd be great if you could return them so that you can borrow more books.
Please enjoy our library and be respectful. And have a great weekend.
One of the things we've noticed since we've been back at school is we are losing a lot of hats and uniform and jumpers and even socks in the yard. Have a look at this. All this stuff, this was just today. We have drink bottles, we have jumpers, we have lots and lots of hats, and if we don't have our hats, that means we won't be able to go outside to play because of course it is term 4. Please make sure you label your things and pick them up when the bell goes. Check that you have everything with you when the bell goes. Mums and dads and carers do not want to be buying new jumpers in term 4.
On Thursday the 22nd of October,
It's Footy Colours Day!
Don't forget to bring a gold coin donation to raise money for the Victorian bushfire appeal.
The money will be going to the people, animals' homes.
They've got those affected by the bushfires. Don't forget to wear your footy colours!
We'll have to do operates in our classroom.
And we'll video so we all can see it.